Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you something like purplish eyeshadow makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I'm going to use Farsali primer all over my face. Okay, once dry, let's start with our foundation. I'll be using our favorite L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Okay, using our damp sponge. The next side. Now let's go with our concealer, our Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Using same sponge. Once done, let's go over with our eyebrows, okay? I want to let it dry for a little bit. So for our eyebrows, spoolie first. I'm going to use Benefit Cabro in the shade number 3. Just like that. Next, let's clean surroundings. Okay, now let's set our face, but let's just make sure that the concealer is not creasing on our under eye. I'll be using Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Original Mineral Veil. Using same sponge. And all over the face, whatever is left, because we don't want that our face will be powdery. Okay, then we can add a little on our forehead. Looks really white on the camera, but in person it's a little bit dark. It's like it oxidizes. Next, let's begin with our eyeshadow. So I have here Annabelle in the shade Pink Abu. Let's set our eyelids first with the Bare Minerals as well. So let's start using this one on the outer V. Then going inwards, slowly creating some transition color. Same on the other eye. Going inwards. Let's go darker now. I'll be taking a Too Faced Then and Now shadow palette. Let's take this shade, Villain, on the outer V. Let's move on. Little darker, let's use Oh La La. Just on the outer corner. Going back with this one. Clean the edges. Then now let's go with Trixie. Using our fingertips. Let's try this one. Ooh. Nice purple. Then let's add this one, Shady Beach, between the lighter one and the darker one, using this brush. And this one have a very nice glitter on it to add on our eyeshadow. Let's add glitter on it. Let's add glitter donut just to add a glitter in the inner eyeshadow. Slowly. Did something happen? There. Okay. There. Now let's just clean the edges. How do you like that? I like it, baby. Okay, then let's clean our face. There are some fallouts from the glitter donut eyeshadow. Okay, now the lower lashes. Let's use Villain. I'm not going to put false lashes right now, okay? So I'll be using Maybelline Total Temptation waterproof mascara. Then let's proceed all over our face. Let's take our Too Faced bronzer. Forehead. If you notice, guys, I don't put on my jawline because I get irritated on any products, even my neck. Usually others, they put foundation and other stuffs, but for me, sometimes yeah, but not too much because I have allergies. I get easily irritated. And I'll be using Vice Cosmetics in the shade Manika, but this one is very pigmented, so just very light. Okay, then one, tap the excess. More, very light. Okay, nose contour. You don't have to be perfect doing the nose contour, but make sure it's not too dark. Okay, then our highlighter, I'm going to use Vice in the shade Splendid. So let's use tapered brush. There you go. Lipstick that I'm going to use, let's check it out. I want dark. I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Vibes Matte Lipstick in the shade Kavog. There you go. So I'll just go grab the setting spray. So setting spray, I'll be using Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Shake it first. Okay, then let it dry. Okay, so for final touches, let's slowly pat. Let's add more highlighter because I love highlighter. Let's add more. Also on our inner ducts. So this is our final look. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Mwah!